Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from a book step by step. Before you dive into the text, take a moment to prepare. Start by skimming the table of contents and chapter headings to get a broad overview of the material. Then, read the introduction and conclusion of the chapter first. This helps you understand the main arguments and learning objectives before you begin detailed reading. As you read, actively engage with the material. Don't just passively scan the words. Highlight or underline key concepts and definitions, but be selective. Avoid highlighting too much. Take concise notes in the margins or a dedicated notebook, summarizing main ideas. Try to rephrase sections in your own words to ensure you truly understand the content, rather than just memorizing it. After finishing a reading session, it's crucial to consolidate what you've learned. Review your notes and highlighted sections within 24 hours to strengthen memory retention. Test your understanding by attempting to answer any questions provided at the end of the chapter. Additionally, discussing the material with a study partner or group can help clarify concepts and reinforce your knowledge effectively. To deepen your understanding and ensure long-term retention, employ advanced study methods. Create flashcards for key terms, definitions, and complex ideas to aid memorization. A powerful technique is to try teaching the material to someone else. This quickly reveals any gaps in your own knowledge. Finally, always strive to connect new information with concepts you already understand, building a stronger mental framework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.